Hello and welcome to Marco on Markets. This channel is for educational purposes only and shares my personal opinions and investment process. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial product advice or a recommendation to buy or sell any investment. Always do your own research and consider obtaining advice from a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Good afternoon, my name's Marco and today is Thursday the 30th of July. It's 4:24 p.m. Market has closed for the day. We had a mixed day, bit of red back into the market today after two positive days. Let's have a look at the All Ordinaries. All Ordinaries was down 0.84% today, ending at 9,122 points. It did open at around 9,200 points. Some of the top gainers for today was Beforepay Group, up 18%. That's a buy now, pay later stock. Group 6 metals up 14%. Appen up 10%. The other one that I was just talking about was Domino's Pizza. I was talking about that maybe yesterday, or maybe that was this morning. It's up 9% today. Some of the top losers, there's none really there that I'm familiar with, not to take away from those companies. I do recognise baby Bunting, which was down 6%. Look like mainly minerals there. There's Tolu Minerals down 7%. Okay, we'll leave it there and we'll just have a look at my watch list and update my portfolio. So as you will have seen in my last videos, I did sell yesterday my second last position. So I've only got AX1. I'll update that now. It's 71 cents. So that's down 2 cents from yesterday. So it's down 62.95%. Again, I've had that for 567 days now, which is divided by 365.25, so 1.5 years. And it will probably be a number of years before I get out of that position with a profit. At this stage, I will be hanging on. So yesterday I was unable to buy anything. This morning it was still fairly positive. Just looking at the biggest fallers today, AX1 was down 1.5%, so 1.5 cents or 2%. Macquarie down 1.9%, JB Hi-Fi down 1.5%, Wesfarmers down 1.5%. We'll leave it there. In my watch list, Aristocrat did end up falling by 1%, but it did have a positive day yesterday. And as you will have seen in an earlier video this week, I did sell out of that position at around the 164.80 or something like that. So for tomorrow, and in the gainers, I can't believe Viva Energy is still tearing away. It's at $2.79 close, and it has been as high as $2.80. That's a stock that I normally buy at around the $1.80 to $2.10 mark, so it's really increased a lot. I might just look at the graph. We had two banks that were up on my list, NAB up 0.85% and Westpac up 0.55%. I'll just quickly have a look at the Viva Energy graph for, say, the last month. So 1 month, and we'll do the measuring stick. So from there to here, so in 1 month it has increased roughly 35%. So it's had a significant gain in that time. And so that is at the start of the month, it is around that price that I like to buy at, which is around the $2.10 mark. So I've missed all that, but that's okay. I think I had one trade in there. And lastly, for tomorrow, I'll probably do, so I've still got my 3 parcels of funds to deploy. I like the bank stocks. I think we might have a bit of value in, which one was I looking at? Macquarie's a bit high. ANZ maybe. If it goes down to around that $35 mark, that's the price where I enjoy purchasing there. Or if we can see Commonwealth at around the low 170s, I'm comfortable with that price. And also with Westpac, it's at $38.15. And I last purchased that in the $36 range. So if that gets to around 36, I'll probably buy that. NAB's just way too expensive for me at the moment, as is Macquarie. So that's my likely next position for one of my parcels. The other one that I kind of like is Wesfarmers. Wesfarmers is at $89.22. And I sold that on the 29th for $90.50. And I did buy that for $88.45. So if it gets in the $88, $87 range, I think that's a good one for me. So maybe ANZ, maybe Wesfarmers, and that's probably all I can do. We'll wait and see how the market opens up in the morning. Have a great night. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.